where you go， 却逼按埋手，每寸伤口在。
Let's make a star with me. Take a piece of paper strip, loop it around to make a knot. Once the paper is looped around to form a knot, gently pull the bottom end of the paper to tighten the knot. After a knot is formed, start folding the paper according to the pentagon shape using the longer end of the paper strip. Fold until you reach the end of the strip. Insert the end of the strip into the pocket of the next fold as shown. Then you can inflate the star by using your index finger and thumb to pinch into the paper and slowly rotate to do the other sides. There you go, a star.